Good morning. Good morning. So there's the main school, the main campus. And then here's my building. But you can't see the windows right now. There's the church. There's downtown. And there is construction going on down there right now. Upstairs. Us. The rest of the building is ESL. Welcome. It's going to rain today. Supposed to start later this morning. Here's my room. And this is me. Me and Francesca and Stephanie. And whoever else share this room. Tired because I taught last night. Not quite so tired as I was earlier this week, so it's good. Why do we have this messiness? Why do we have this messiness? People just leave their litter behind. Everybody has to put their phone numbers and addresses on the field trip sign-up sheet. I have to remember to get that done today. I've been trying to give a watch to a student. You know, one of those kitschy gifts that teachers get. Well, this guy, he always comes by and doesn't have the time. And he leans into the room and checks the time. I figure, hey, let's give him a watch. I've got extra watches. Let's give him a watch. So my Ventures 2, why is there a Ventures 2 out here? There is a CD laying around randomly. CD player, CD. Let's put the CD on top of the CD player and see where it belongs. Obviously it's in somebody's book. Not mine, because mine is Ventures. Ventures 1. Obviously not on my book, which is good, because otherwise they'd be rooting around in my cupboard. Old papers. Ugh. Alrighty. Yes, there's my form, my field trip form. Okay, guys. I was just looking for my phone again. Okay, it's in my purse somewhere. No, it's not. Wonder when it will start to rain. And what I just did, I checked to see if I had a belt on. Right. People with no memory really have to check for things. So it's a little chilly now. Hopefully it'll get a little warmer in this room. It's actually supposed to get quite warm today, so I would say yes. It'll get warmer. We're supposed to go up to 19. So I look forward to that. Where is my landfill site? My field trip. Someone stole my lovely color field trip. You know what? I'm going to send another one. I think it's on this computer, so mayhap I will be able to send. Some people's kids are just messy. And I don't know who those some people's kids are, but I don't like their messy. Being messy in my room like this, I'm going to check to see who was here last night, because this is rude. And if it was Stephanie, I'm going to tell her, don't leave it like this. Okay, talk to you later.